Good copy on you, 32 on you, over.
Yes, Mac, great copy on you too. And it is 5:39 p.m. So good morning to you in near Tokyo. Great signal. What kind of antenna do you have there, Mac?
You're very, very good indeed. Thank you for asking. I know I like it. And by the way, I'm setting up the equipment. It is very, very old model, but it's still alive with icon 7600, icon model 7600, and a fully state identifier icon model ICPW1, Papa Willie 1, 1KW into a 7-element water under 7-element beam about 80 feet above the ground in the air. Now heading to review. Over.
Oh wow, well that's doing all the work. Thank you very much for all the work. And my station on this side is a Yaesu FTDX10, and I'm using a homebrew doublet antenna, 40-meter doublet antenna, and I'm using 95 watts, 95 whiskey. Over, Mac?
Okay, very good. 95 watts, enough power to bring us nothing away from North Carolina into my hand. Oh, by the way, here is, QTH. I look at time about 20 minutes to 7. 20 minutes to 7, and early Tuesday morning. Today's the first day of October. So I'm located 1 day, 1 month ahead of you. And the weather was in this morning. I think it's been a long time of the lousy weather. But today is this morning very, very good, clear sky. But the sun is not that hot, but outside the QT is quite brighter. So nice weather. There's a light temperature for myself, and high humidity here. Very, very few comfortable. Okay, thank you very much for the QA show. Whiskey 4, November David Kilowatt, Japan, Germany 1. Oscar, you're right at Tango, standing by for your final, over.
Yeah, Japan, Golf 1, Oscar Uniform Tango. Pleasure to meet you, Mac. Thank you for taking the time to talk to me. It is a pleasure to talk to you in Japan, and I hope to talk to you again soon. I hope to get there sometime to Japan to go skiing in the winter. But 73, great signal, and I appreciate the QSO from Whiskey 4 November Delta Kilo.
Thank you very much for the QSO for the, I think, an act for production. We didn't know the rest on Miami to Japan. It's this Tuesday morning. I just said, W4NDK JG1OUT Japan. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Papa Japan 4 Kilo Yankee, Mac.
Papa Japan 4 Kilo Yankee, how are you? How reimbursed, over?
Yeah, Roger, Mac. Nice to hear you again. Hope everything is fine. It's been a while there. You're doing a great